welcome back to SaaSpace YouTube channel. With today's fast-paced and fast-growing digital innovations, sometimes it is hard to manage to catch all of the amazing tools. That is why SaaSpace YouTube channel is here to help you. So today we are going to review one of the best Shopify apps, the Grapevine Post-Purchase Survey app. So let's get started. At first, let's find out what is Grapevine Post-Purchase Survey. Grapevine Post-Purchase Survey is a Shopify app designed to enhance customer experience feedback for e-commerce stores by providing detailed surveys and analytics. The main goal of the Grapevine Survey app is to help store owners understand their customers better and optimize their business strategies based on valuable insights. Your valuable feedback, data-driven marketing, and operational decisions are guaranteed with this survey app. Wondering where customers are coming from? A post-purchase survey will optimize your marketing spend by pinpointing the best marketing channels. Be in track of each stage of the customer journey, such as post-purchase, point of sale, landing pages, via the flexible and publishing tools this app provides you. Why do you need Grapevine Survey app? In order to track a customer's full purchasing journey, the attribution and analytics tools aren't enough for marketers. How to collect insights about where your customers are coming from, how to perceive exactly where to allocate the next round of marketing spend without throwing away half of your budget. It's simple. All you need is just ask your visitors that tend to become your customers. How to ask? Grapevine Survey app will perfectly manage everything and become your perfect data collector tool. Grapevine Survey were predominantly used by merchants to present customers with "How did you hear about us?" survey immediately after placing their order. However, as we know, each stage of the customer journey is an opportunity to collect more insights into your business. In a word, finding out whether or not your customers are likely to shop with you again is an important and ongoing process. The Grapevine Survey allows the creation of an unlimited number of surveys that can be deployed at every touch point of the customer journey, providing them with valuable information. Grapevine's flexibility allows you to discover the areas of your business that are working and those that need a little improvements. Collect insights that help you improve your website, your marketing messaging, your customer service, your business. Sounds good, right? But wait, the app has more to offer. So let's now together find out all of the key features this app will provide. Now it is time to find out all of the great tools this app is going to provide its users. First, I want to mention that the app allows you to build a post-purchase survey by adding your quiz on the order status or starting page. You can create an on-site survey by adding your quiz on a standalone or landing page, or find out the point of sale of your customer by just asking a question. You can see here the previews for each type of survey. The app is very user-friendly. Here on the left, you can add questions, add options, and if needed, add a sub-option as a follow-up question. Here you will find 6 types of survey questions, each providing a different type of insight from your customers. On your surveys, you can use both, only one type of question, or combine them and make multi-question surveys with any combination of these questions types. Now let's see what type of questions this survey provides to its users. Single choice or close-ended question. This type is best suited for when you would prefer to offer your customers a predefined list of answers. The single choice is mostly used when asking customers how they heard about you. Also, you can add the answer option Other. giving customers the opportunity to provide their own response if your predefined options don't fit. Multiple choice. With this question, your customers can choose multiple answers by selecting all relevant options. The multiple choice questions are perfect for capturing the full range of factors influencing customers' purchase decisions. The multiple selections will minimize frustrations and reduce the risk of incomplete or inaccurate responses. The already mentioned other option is also available for this type of question. Net Promoter Score or NPS. Want to find out how loyal your customers are and if they are likely to recommend you to others? All you need is to calculate your NPS score. And to do that, ask your customers how likely they are to recommend your business to a colleague or friend. Hence, you'll learn what your customers think of you. Besides the calculation of your NPS score, this type of survey question will help you to react quickly to any negative feedback. Also, it will provide a benchmark of how you compare against competitors in your industry. You can choose between a traditional NPS scale 0 to 10 or a simplified scale from 1 to 5. Open text. This question type will open up a conversation with your customers. The open text provide a text box where your customer can give you more meaningful answers and feedback. If you are just looking for a simple yes or no answer, then don't use this question type. Content block. If you want to break up your multi-question survey by providing a bit of information between a set of questions, then the content block will be a perfect fit. All you need to do is just to deploy a content block that provides more context to a set of questions. Date. This flexible question type can be used to ask respondents any date-related question as part of your survey. This question type will help you to collect zero-party data by capturing birthdays, anniversaries, or other important dates. Customer Satisfaction Score or CSAT. With this type of question, you can always be aware of how much your customer is satisfied by just adding a CTA question. Ask and measure how your customer satisfaction is with a simple 5-point scale. Furthermore, you can visualize the survey within the preview window. Define the channel, audience, language, and questions in one easy-to-use page. What is amazing about this app is that it allows its users to generate unlimited surveys and unlimited responses. Generate as many surveys as you need, get valuable and immense responses with just one flat pricing tier, but about the flexibility of pricing later. Here you can find the settings section where you can edit the starting, landing, and ending pages. Set titles, button names, introduction, error, thank you messages, and more. Only texts are editable, which is amazing. So scroll down and tagging. The integration and tagging tool allows survey responses to be used to tag orders to customers in Shopify and integrate with tools like Klaviyo, Google Analytics, and other flows. And we have a styling section where you can add your customer CSS for the starting and landing pages. On the right side, you can manage the visibility and create surveys based on the audience, just choosing all customers, returning customers, or new customers. Provide your customers with a more customer-friendly experience via the multi-language tool. This tool allows you to create surveys in different languages targeted by browser language or customer segment. Therefore, your surveys will be more personalized and easy to respond to. Besides the language, you can target your audience by the location. For now, let's check out one of the best tools this app provides, the Attribution Insights. Always be on track of the survey submissions, including sale value, via the easy-to-read reports. You can filter the survey reports, download all the collected data, or integrate them in Google Sheets. You can see the quantity, revenue, average order value for each response. Find the NPS score for the NPS typed questions and see their responses over time to target your audience better. Make smart business decisions based on customer responses. In short, the responses view gives you a bird's eye view of what your customers are saying. Now let's see what kind of integrations this app provides. The Grapevine Survey app offers various useful integrations. Connect with other platforms to send your data where it needs to go, like triggering segments in Klaviyo or adding entries to a Google Sheets. For now, let's talk about the survey types. Via the Grapevine Survey app, you can generate various types of surveys and match your business. Now let's find out what type of surveys you can create and what will be your perfect fit. First, post-purchase survey. Send an immediate questionnaire to customers after purchase to gather feedback on their experience, including their satisfaction with the product, the buying process, and of course the brand. Generate a post-purchase survey via the Grapevine tools to identify areas for improvement, understand customer motivations, and upgrade retention and loyalty by making customers feel heard. Include questions about how the customer heard about the brand, overall satisfaction, and the likelihood to recommend the business. And your post-purchase survey is ready to use. On-site or landing page survey. Gather your customers' review and feedback via the on-site survey type. On-site surveys can be broadly categorized as website feedback surveys. Create a customer-friendly on-site survey with the Grapevine survey tools and collect feedback from visitors while they are on a specific page to understand their experience and gather insights for improvement. Embedded survey. An embedded survey is integrated directly into a web page, allowing users to respond without leaving the page. Generate an embedded survey via the Grapevine app and provide a seamless user experience to your customers. Increase response rates and allow for feedback to be collected in the specific context where it's relevant, such as after a user completes a purchase or interacts with a particular feature. For now, let's check out the pricing for the Grapevine app. Besides all of the amazing and useful tools this app suggests to its user, it is very affordable and convenient to purchase. One more thing to mention about the Grapevine is the flexibility of pricing. As you can see here, we have only one package with all of the amazing tools available in it, and your monthly charge will be just $25. As you can see here is listed all of the tools this package includes: unlimited responses, unlimited service, checkout extensibility compatible, post-purchase and on-site service, multilingual post-purchase service, service on multiple channels, flow integration to push response data, fixed open text, multi-choice, CSAT, and NPS. Also, to try all of these mentioned flexible and useful tools before your subscription, you can try the 14-day free trial. So don't lose your time, go and check the link below. Encourage positive reviews and word-of-mouth marketing. When customers recognize that you value their opinions and strive to deliver exceptional service, they are more likely to share positive reviews and recommend your brand to others. These are powerful drivers for attracting new customers and expanding your e-commerce business. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to always be up to date with the digital world.